Subscribe TechTouch channel and press the bell icon for more latest video.
Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix network request failed. Please try again later in Instagram. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, update your Instagram. Open your Play Store, search your Instagram, then update your Instagram. If your Instagram already updated, then go back, open your setting, open apps, search your Instagram, press on force stop, open your storage, press on create data, press on OK, then go back, open your data usage. If you disable or turn off any one option, you should enable all this option: mobile data, Wi-Fi, background data, roaming data. You should enable all this option. So in this way you fix network request fail. Please try again error in Instagram. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.